So you want to go fishing, you have a day off, but turns out the creeks are all flooded and the water's super high. So I'm going to show you where to go and what to use during high water. All right, so I'm going to go in depth here on what I was getting at, where to go fishing during high water. I'm using trout routes for this example on a map, but I'm going to go over all the way to Potter County. It's nowhere near me, but we're going to go and use the Kettle Creek as an example because of the fact that it's a famous creek and everyone pretty much knows it who fishes in PA. And all these tributaries around there would be great fishing during high water, but Kettle Creek itself wouldn't be. But a lot of people would rather fish Kettle Creek because of the fact that there's a lot of water in it. The little tributaries sometimes are really shallow, but during high water, the little tributaries are in perfect conditions for spinners and flies. I wouldn't say for bait because it's just too fast. Your bait's going to fly down. But I use spinners in this video, as you'll see. And any tributary under 5 miles is going to be great 5-6 hours after the rain hits. Like me and Keith, we go fishing at this spot only like 6 hours after a really big downpour, and it's already starting to clear up. It's already starting to lower. So you got to take that into account. The bigger the creek, the longer it takes to go down, but the smaller the creek, the faster they go down. So you could kind of like do that by day. So even like a smaller creek like this is a Little Kettle Creek. This would take a while, so this probably wouldn't be good for a day or two after the rain. So yeah, I'm going to go show you guys what I'm using in the video, which are just simple spinners. Today I was using pip spinners that I get from my friend Keith, who I was fishing with, and I'll put a link in the description of his Facebook page if you want to check him out if you're in Columbia County, Luzerne area. But anyway, we're using these size 2, size 1, anywhere from there was really working with the fast water. Flies would also work really well in this kind of water too. But bait, any kind of like drifting bait would be really tough unless you hit some of the deeper holes maybe. But yeah, the gold spinners are really working really well for the browns. They were just striking them like crazy, as you'll see in the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it of the explaining on what we're using and where to go during high water. So I'll see you in the video. I am fishing the same creek that I fished with Trevor in my second video. That wasn't the plan. The plan was to fish a different tributary, but this is the only one that's low enough to fish at the moment because we just got a ton of rain yesterday. And so I'm here with my friend Keith, and he's upstream, so I'm gonna go catch up with him, but we're gonna see if we get any more big browns out of here. And yeah, I'll see you later. I got one. I got that on video. Oh, you lost him? Oh, I got one chasing it. He's pretty big. There was one pretty big chasing it. Might be a good day, Keith. That's a nice one. At least 12.
I just aimed to, but it's on there.
Camera's already rolling. Should I see it? Yep. Alright, we're gonna try right in here. Oh, there we go. There's a brown. Ah, we lost him. We lost him. That was a nice one. Probably about 10 inches. Keith's hooked up right there. Really nice brown. Oh my gosh, that is... Wow, that is... We'll go look at him, I guess.
That's what gets my blood going.
Fan him out a little bit. There you go. That's good. Yeah, I missed that one. Well, I didn't miss him. I reeled one in completely.
Oh, wait,
and
no,
then
it's the same one.
oh, there we go. There we go. We got one. Oh my gosh, this thing is going crazy. There we go. That's a really nice brown. Ooh, the hook just came out. Perfect timing. Wet those hands. Beautiful, beautiful brown. At least 10 inches. Nice and red and yellow. That was great. All right, we're gonna work our way up in this pool. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it's a, oh no, I thought it was a brookie. Just a real, is it a brookie? No, it's a brown. Oh, oh, there he goes. Just trying to get my spinner out. Oh, there we go. Can't tell what it is yet. Another nice brown. Oh, I keep getting lucky with these spinners. They keep popping out right as they get in the net. I haven't had to take one out with pliers yet. Probably about 7-8 inches. Not a bad one. So, pretty neat looking. Put them back. Really nice water right here. Lost them. Oh, just had another hit. Had 2 hits right there. Even a better cast right there. Keep losing. There we go, I got him. Oh, he's doing donuts. There we go. Really orange. About a 10-inch trout right here. You got one? I got one right now. Really nice. Nothing, no.
That one following it.
Yeah. Nothing on the first cast. Oh, lost one. Ooh, that was a big one. There was a big one right there on it.
Yeah.
Real big. At least 13. Got him.
Sounds good.
Yeah, maybe 10 inches. Bring him over here. Not the one I lost. The one I lost is much bigger. Got another like 9-incher right here. Dark and colorful. Put him back. There he goes. Just one. I had that big one after, but he just didn't want to grab it. I say we try it on the way down and then probably grab it then. Oh, we got one. Nothing big. Still pretty neat though. Oh, there we go. Got another nice little brown here. maybe about 6-7 inches. Still pretty. Another nice brown right here. There we go. Another like 10, 11 incher. Pretty nice. Go back. There he goes. I think something big would be in here. There you go. Yeah, he's still decent. Oh, I was gonna help you out there, but
Go ahead, man.
there you go.
I want to bail out.
Maybe 11 inches.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
So that's going to be pretty much it for the video. As you can see, it was starting to get really dark out, and we had to head back before it got too dark. But in those 2 hours that we were fishing, because we started at like 5 p.m., in those 2 hours, we caught at least 15 browns. He caught that really nice one. I didn't get every single one of them on camera, but I got the majority of them on. I do my best for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for it. The purpose of this video, once again, was just to show you what to use and where to go during high water, because that's a really big battle in the spring when you get those floods in April or May, and those bigger creeks, they're just not fishable, and sometimes they're not fishable for over a week. So these little streams during that week, they're the best ones to go to. So keep that in mind next time it floods. Figure out where a smaller stream that could contain trout in. Look on that Class A map, and you might have yourself a really good day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.